So this is the landfill here. There are all different boxes of the Republic here. So this is what the landfill look like. Stop here, red light. Alright. But there is no red light. Oh my, there's a lot of birds.
Yeah.
That's nice. So there's a lot of birds. So what are you gonna do now?
Go on a weight slip. Come on, it's wood. Fremont.
So you're taking them all the way down there?
When I first started, I used to go to the top of the mountain.
Huh? Smoke?
Top of the mountain.
Smoking?
No, used to drive right up to the top of the mountain there. When I first started it. This wasn't even here.
So
When you pull up, you'll kind of see what direction the other trucks are dumping. So it gives you an idea of how to. This guy lost a lot of weight doing that job. That goes the wrong way.
So this is like a Smoky Mountain in Ohio. So what are all those behind in those
Here, let me
mountains?
just concentrate a second.
Okay.
Make sure I didn't go the wrong way.
Oh my god.
Keep changing up the direction.
So this truck right here, this is what you do.
Yeah.
Just basically like that. So those birds in there are eating those.
That was supposed to go that way.
A lot of birds in there.
I think that was supposed to come through that way today.
Oh, that one? Supposed to go that one?
Yeah. They changed the direction on us all the time.
Are those people are workers?
Yellow shirts. Come up here and open my box up.
So what are they gonna do with all that box? They gonna bury them?
What? What's that mean?
The stuff that's inside.
They just keep driving over it and over it. Yeah, it kind of buries itself. They mix dirt, stone, whatever they need to make it.
So they bury them in here?
Yeah, they build it. This whole mountain is all garbage. It's built on garbage.
Oh wow.
The whole thing. And yeah.
But then how is that? How are they gonna do this?
See those that's gas in there. They circulate out the gas that goes in the pipeline.
So this one right here, after they fill all up, it becomes like that?
Yeah, you see landfills all over that way. They got the pipe sticking out to bleed the gas.
You want me to get out? You want me to get out?
No, you can't get out. You see that sign? Only the truck driver may exit the cab.
Oh, okay. I can smell it.
That's good, darling.
I can smell it, Daddy. There's all the garbage. There's all the stuff that we have to dump. I can smell it.
Hey, you just sit back now. I got torque
Okay.
on this.
Oh, look at that. All the birds is flying. Wait. What happened? Oh my God.
Stand up.
What are they trying to do with these people there?
Looking through their garbage.
Sorting their garbage?
Probably looking for something precious.
Looking for a treasure? Those were a newer one. Hey, my God.
There she goes.
How do you know?
Because I watched it fall. Make sure it all come out.
Well, my goodness, it's a bit chaotic in here. I don't know if I can. That one is a newer truck right there, so.
It all came out.
Ask those if those trucks are automatic. This is a newer.
It's KW.
Huh?
It's a KW 880. Yeah, I think they leased that for. It's got a tail finger hoist system. He's wearing a Premier t-shirt. That's the one where she's gonna buy the truck from.
Huh?
She's buying the truck from Premier.
From that one?
That same outfit.